This is Whitney Daniels, and this is my Chemistry and Me presentation. And I am going to be talking today about Dawn dishwashing detergent. The good, the bad, the super shiny smelling good cleaner of all cleaner facts. I clean houses for a living, big houses, and I love Dawn. And what everybody wants is for you to make their house shine and smell good, and Dawn does the trick. Uh, it cleans anything and everything. And I was really curious as to why it cleans everything. Probably very boring to some. I was just curious about it, and this was a good way to look into it. Dawn. Lots of bottles of Dawn. I have about this many bottles of Dawn. So, what is in dishwashing soaps, period? And it says that 80 to 90% of the raw materials used in the fragrances to make these things smell so good are synthetic, which we can already imagine that. Lots of chemicals go into making the bubbles, some of them good, some of them bad. And we're going to talk about some of them. And the fragrance, the phthalates, and the allergens, and all of that, there's some bad stuff in there too. So, the Environmental Working Group gives Dawn a grade D. I thought I'd get through the bad stuff first. It's got methyl lysothiazolinone, um, very bad for our aquatic life out there. It's a skin irritant, it's highly corrosive, and it's toxic if ingested. So while it's really good, it has some really bad things about it too. The this 4-dioxin, which you could see it's found in a lot of everything, but it is linked to cancer. So you want to be, my whole talk today is about moderation. So you've got the dioxin, which is a carcinogen, this methyl isothiazolinone, which is a skin irritant and it's corrosive. So those are some of the really bad things about Dawn. Probably two of the things that make it so awesome, make it so bad as well. So Dawn, it cleans dishes, and we know that, but I was really surprised. It removes stains from clothes. It will clean your stainless steel appliances, cleans all the grease off your kitchen cabinets and the oven, cleans the grates on your grill. But it also cleans tools, makes them shiny and new, used in gardens for pest control. It doesn't kill the bees, it doesn't kill the ladybugs, but it does kill the aphids. That are such hassles. You could put the Dawn, you could rub it on the bottom of the leaves, and it'll eventually get rid of all of those pesty aphids. You can clean your fireplace bricks with it, and you could mix it with water and alcohol and in a gallon, and you could pour it on your sidewalk, and it will actually keep your sidewalks from icing over. Who knew? I didn't know. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Um, what makes Dawn Dawn? Of course, it is a surfactant. The main surfactant used in it is sodium lauryl sulfate. And so what these do is when you add them to a liquid, it reduces the surface tension. Uh, like it says on the screen, increasing its spreading and wetting properties. And so it breaks up all of that stuff, and you can actually see it if you put something in Dawn in the sink or in the bathtub, like I do in these big houses. I take the kitchen, the oven racks, and I'll put them in a bathtub full of Dawn, and you could just see it working, and it's a miracle. But I added this. There is the chemical formula for sodium lauryl sulfate, and there is the molar mass, 288.38. That's a little chemistry thrown in there. Um, Sodium lauryl sulfate is also an irritant. It irritates your skin, your eyes, and your respiratory tract, and it's toxic to our water life. So, like I said earlier, my point is moderation, moderation, moderation. Dawn is amazing. I I've learned the good and the bad about it. If we use it in moderation, we all love our homes. We love clean homes. We love our cleaning supplies used to do it. It makes it easy. It sure is convenient. But to know the red flags and the chemistry behind things and what is harmful is what's really important. Um, our earth, our water, ourselves are all beautiful. We need to take care of it. Um, don't ingest Dawn. Don't uh, let your animals ingest it. And don't just go dumping your stuff out haphazardly into the environment without knowing what you're doing. So, thank you.